the major challenge working with forages is the necessity to work on multiple species. So you cannot avoid that. And of course, because simply you cannot build a forage system around one species. The other part, working with cool season forage species, they are not adapted to the southeast. And of course, the environment is very different from northern locations. So when you think of northern locations, they have one season, start in April and they end in September, October. But for us in the southeast, winters are mild. So we're practically in the field all year round. And sometimes, like this time of the year, even though Corona is messing up our schedules, we usually harvesting and planting at the same time. So we have two seasons, fall and spring planting. And you add to that, all these perennial cool season species, they are outcrossing. So unlike wheat or soybean or they are self and you don't have to worry about cross contamination. So to cross legumes, we have to keep them in bee cages. So we have to take care of the bumblebees and we have to take space for the cages. And for grasses, you need a lot of land to keep that isolation between the different entries that you're working with. And of course, for the lab, the genetics is very complicated. All these species are polyploids. So that makes it very difficult. And another signature of our program is all the perennials we select for persistence under grazing. Actually, that's the one thing, the UG or breeding program is known for, is development of grazing resistant or tolerant varieties. So we have to deal with animals and we have to do the right timing to get the animals there and so on. So there's multiple levels of complexities that we have to deal with.